The Chone S by Edelkrone is a smart camera motion system made for filmmakers and content creators who want smooth, professional-looking shots without big, complicated equipment. It combines the Dolly plus V2, Slider plus V6, and Head plus V3 into one compact and modular setup. This system gives you multiple types of movement, including sliding, dolly moves, panning, tilting, and vertical motion, all working smoothly together. The Dolly plus V2 lets the camera move accurately on straight or curved tracks. The Slider plus V6 increases the sliding distance and can also move vertically with an optional add-on. The Head plus V3 handles heavy cameras and adds smooth pan and tilt, with automatic subject tracking to keep the shot perfectly framed. Chone S is perfect for solo filmmakers, YouTubers, and small production teams, as it delivers cinematic motion without needing large crews or heavy gear. Its portable design, accuracy, and flexibility make it a powerful tool for creative and professional video production. The Salepu Neuro Sleep Mask, also called Dream Pilot, is a smart sleep mask made to help you sleep deeper and more comfortably. It uses AI and brainwave tracking to understand how your brain moves through different sleep stages during the night. Based on this information, the mask gently helps your brain relax using a mix of soft audio guidance, far infrared warmth, light electrical pulses, and gentle vibrations. These features work together to support natural and calm sleep. Instead of being just a regular eye mask, Dream Pilot acts like a smart sleep companion that helps you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed, showing how future sleep technology is evolving. Apollo Turf Storm is a smart, AI-powered yard robot made to make outdoor work easy. It combines lawn mowing, snow removal, and leaf cleanup into one machine, so you don't need separate tools for each job. Using advanced satellite positioning and AI cameras, it moves on its own with very high accuracy. It can map your yard, avoid obstacles, and work smoothly even on uneven ground. Its all-wheel drive and strong tires let it climb steep slopes of up to 45 degrees. The robot runs on a powerful, swappable battery that lasts up to 6 hours on a single charge. Thanks to its modular design, you can quickly change attachments depending on the task. It has an adjustable mower, a snowblower that can clear up to 50 centimeters of snow, and a leaf collector for easy cleanup. Built to handle tough conditions, Apollo Turf Storm is dust and water resistant, supports wireless charging, and works all year round. With its smart navigation, automatic operation, and multi-purpose design, it offers a simple, efficient, and durable solution for modern yard care. The DoorDash Dot is a small, self-driving delivery robot made to improve local deliveries. It is fully electric and designed to move safely on sidewalks, bike lanes, driveways, and streets. Using sensors like lidar, radar, and cameras, it can detect obstacles and travel smoothly on its own. Dot is built for nearby deliveries and can carry up to 30 pounds of food, groceries, or small packages. Items are stored in a secure, insulated box that customers unlock through the DoorDash app. It can travel at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making deliveries faster and more flexible than traditional methods while helping reduce traffic and pollution. Created by DoorDash Labs, the robot works with DoorDash's autonomous delivery system to offer a simple and convenient experience for both customers and businesses. The Holiday Friday humanoid robot is an advanced industrial robot made by South Korea's Holiday Robotics. It is built for real-world use in factories, warehouses, and logistics centers. Instead of walking on two legs, Friday moves on a wheeled base, which makes it faster and more stable, with speeds of up to 4.3 miles per hour. The robot uses hot swappable batteries, so it can run for long hours with very little downtime. It stands about 176 centimeters tall and has a highly flexible body with 63 degrees of movement. Its two dexterous hands are equipped with tactile sensors, allowing it to carefully handle delicate or oddly shaped objects. The Corsair 880 is a trailer-friendly trimaran made by Corsair Marine. It is well known for its smart folding design, which makes it easy to transport and dock. This 28-foot trimaran combines speed, comfort, and flexibility, making it suitable for both cruising and racing. It is designed to be easy and fun to sail, while still offering a comfortable interior. Inside, there is a roomy rear cabin, a small kitchen with enough headroom to stand, and a private bathroom. The boat can sleep up to 5 people and can be equipped with extras like air conditioning and heating. One of its best features is the folding system that reduces the boat's width, allowing simple trailering and easier marina docking. The Corsair 880 is praised for its fast performance, strong stability, and comfortable living space, making it a great choice for sailors who want high performance without sacrificing practicality. The Mona Luna rover is Europe's next-generation vehicle designed to explore the Moon. Built by Venturi Space for the European Space Agency and CNES, it is made to operate near the Moon's south pole. Its main job is to study dark, permanently shadowed areas where water ice and other valuable resources may exist. The rover weighs about 750 kilograms and can carry up to 1,000 kilograms of equipment. It runs on electric power using solar energy and can drive on its own with autonomous navigation. Mona Luna also has a robotic arm to handle tools, scientific instruments, and cargo. The 2025 Giant Revolt 2 is a versatile and affordable gravel bike made for both adventure and everyday performance. It has a lightweight aluminum frame and a carbon fork that provide a smooth, comfortable ride on different types of terrain. The updated gravel-focused design improves balance and control, making the bike feel stable and confident, even on rough roads. The adjustable rear dropout lets you change the wheelbase and fit wider tires up to 53 mm, so you can customize the bike for comfort or speed. It comes with a Shimano Sora 2X9 drivetrain for smooth gear changes, Tektro disc brakes for dependable stopping, and giant wheels with 700x38C tubeless-ready tires for better grip and fewer flats. At a price of $1,450, the Giant Revolt 2 offers great value for riders looking to get into gravel riding. The Circus Group CA1 is a smart, fully automated robot made to run commercial kitchens. Built by the German company Circus SE, it uses robotics, computer vision, and AI to handle the entire cooking process, from storing ingredients and cooking meals to plating and serving food. Its compact design makes it suitable for places like cafeterias, hospitals, and office dining halls. Once it is filled with ingredients, it can prepare up to 500 meals on its own without human help. People can order food using a touchscreen or voice commands, making it easy to use. With global production planned for 2025, the CA1 aims to lower labor costs, improve hygiene, and provide round-the-clock meal preparation, marking a new step toward fully automated food service. The Navi AI-3 robot is a next-generation humanoid machine built to work in real-world environments with movements and intelligence similar to a human. Developed by the Zhejiang Humanoid Robot Innovation Center, it combines strength, smooth mobility, and smart autonomous control. Navi AI-3 can walk, bend, squat, and move easily over uneven ground like slopes, gravel, and industrial floors. Its strong lower body helps it move faster while staying stable and well-balanced. This shows major progress in how humanoid robots can move naturally. The robot is designed for practical use, making it suitable for tasks such as security patrols, building inspections, and managing controlled public spaces. The Segway Zafari is a versatile electric bike made for both city riding and off-road adventures. It costs around $2,400 and comes with a powerful 750W rear hub motor that delivers strong torque, helping it reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The bike uses a 48 volts 936 watt-hours battery that can travel up to 88 miles on a single charge and takes about 5.3 hours to fully recharge. For a smooth and comfortable ride, it has front suspension with 80 mm travel and rear suspension with 70 mm travel. Safety is handled by Tektro hydraulic disc brakes with 180 mm rotors, while 26 by 3-inch Kenda all-terrain tires provide good grip and stability on different surfaces. Overall, the Segway Zafari blends strong performance, comfort, safety, and smart technology, making it a great choice for riders looking for a reliable and feature-packed e-bike. The Adrenaline Powerboat's ZRX47 is a high-performance center console powerboat known for its incredible speed and thrilling ride. Powered by twin Mercury Racing turbo engines, it can reach speeds of over 150 miles per hour, turning every trip into an exciting adventure. Its lightweight carbon fiber build and smooth hull design help it cut through the water easily, offering amazing speed and control. Beyond power, The ZRX-47 also provides comfort and luxury with soft seating, modern electronics, and a roomy cockpit, making it ideal for both high-speed cruising and exciting time on the water. The Archipelago 47 sets a new level of luxury and practicality for ocean-going catamarans. It is built for serious exploration while keeping comfort a top priority. The boat delivers strong performance and offers roomy living space for up to 8 people. With a long-range capability of over 3,000 nautical miles and a top speed of around 30 knots, it is well suited for long journeys at sea. A standout feature is its split saloon design, which allows safe and easy navigation from a fully equipped wheelhouse, while still providing a warm and relaxing lounge area. The interior includes underfloor heating and modern audio-visual systems, making it comfortable for family and friends in all conditions. It meets a wide range of needs without sacrificing luxury or ease of use, making it a perfect choice for anyone who wants adventure along with refined living on the open ocean. The Silverlight Aviation AR-1 is an American-made gyroplane designed for both relaxed flying and long-distance trips. It is popular with pilots because it offers a good balance of performance, safety, and comfort. The AR-1 is powered by a turbocharged Rotax 915S engine producing 141 horsepower. It can reach a top speed of about 120 miles per hour and cruises smoothly between 55 and 100 miles per hour. With a strong climb rate of up to 1,300 feet per minute, takeoffs are quick and responsive. The tandem seating design offers clear, wide views, with the front seat set up for the pilot and designed for extra comfort. Overall, the AR-1 provides a smooth, reliable, and enjoyable flying experience built on solid engineering. The Campana T-Rex RR is a high-performance three-wheel sports machine with a starting price of around $65,000. It is powered by a naturally aspirated 1,441cc Kawasaki inline-4 engine that produces 208 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 116.5 pound-feet of torque at 7,500 RPM. The power is sent through a 6-speed sequential gearbox with a built-in reverse. Weighing about 998 pounds, the T-Rex RR can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds and can handle up to 1.3 grams of cornering force. Its strong tubular steel roll cage chassis is paired with adjustable RR5 coilover suspension, double wishbones at the front, a rear swing arm, and ABS with 4 traction control modes for better stability and control. With race-level performance, premium details, and full street legality, the T-Rex RR delivers a truly unique and exciting three-wheel driving experience. The Skyleader 600 is a 2-seat, all-metal light sport aircraft made for fun flying, flight training, and special missions. It is powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 engine, giving it a top speed of about 143 miles per hour and a comfortable cruise speed of around 119 miles per hour. With a fuel capacity of 31.7 gallons, it can fly up to about 994 miles and stay in the air for nearly 9 hours. The aircraft is designed for comfort, with a wide 50-inch cockpit, good visibility, and ergonomic seating. Its wing design with Fowler flaps improves lift and control, making flights smooth and safe. The Skyleader 600 weighs 750 pounds empty and has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,323 pounds, allowing a useful load of 573 pounds. With modern avionics and customizable options, it is a reliable, efficient, and comfortable choice for light sport pilots. The TX-0001 is a 2-seater electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically. It is being developed by the Chinese company Xpeng Aero HT and is designed as an air taxi for short-distance urban travel. It uses 8 electric motors to power 8 propellers, giving it smooth and quiet flight. The aircraft has a sleek, futuristic look and is built from lightweight composite materials. Inside, the cabin is roomy enough for 2 passengers and their luggage. The TX-0001 can fly up to about 130 kilometers, 81 miles, and reach a top speed of around 253 kilometers per hour, 157 miles per hour. It is still in development, and its price has not been announced yet.